Understanding rational choice theory, an in-depth exploration. Rational choice theory is a pivotal concept in economics and social sciences that posits that individuals make decisions based on rational calculations aimed at maximizing their self-interest. This theory is founded on the belief that human behavior is a result of rationality, where individuals assess their options and choose the course of action that they believe will yield them the greatest benefit. In this article, we delve deeper into the principles, applications, advantages, and criticisms of rational choice theory. Key concepts of rational choice theory. Rational actors. At the heart of rational choice theory is the concept of rational actors, individuals who utilize available information to make decisions that align with their personal objectives. Rational actors are characterized by their ability to weigh costs and benefits before arriving at a conclusion. This assumption extends to collective decision-making, influencing not just personal choices but also broader economic and political phenomena. Self-interest and the invisible hand. The notion of self-interest emerges as a central tenet of rational choice theory. Originating from the work of economist Adam Smith, particularly in his groundbreaking book, An Inquiry into the Nature and Causes of the Wealth of Nations, 1776, the theory reinforces that when individuals pursue their self-interest, they inadvertently contribute to the overall welfare of society. This idea is encapsulated in the metaphor of the invisible hand, which suggests that the competition in a free market leads to optimal resource allocation and societal benefit. Economic assumptions. Rational choice theory serves as the foundation for many mainstream economic assumptions, positing that individuals aim to achieve the maximum utility from their choices. It suggests that economic efficiency arises when individuals act in their best interests, a premise that underscores various economic models and analyses. The applications of rational choice theory. Rational choice theory is applied across various domains, including economics. Economists use rational choice theory to model market behavior, consumer choices, and investment decisions, assuming individuals will act to maximize their returns while minimizing losses. Political science. In political science, rational choice theory is employed to understand voting behavior, policymaking processes, and the actions of political actors. Rational choice models help predict the strategies politicians might adopt based on their perceived benefits. Sociology. Sociologists utilize rational choice concepts to analyze social interactions and group dynamics, considering how collective decisions are influenced by individual choices. Advantages of rational choice theory. Clarity and predictability. One of the main advantages of rational choice theory is its clarity in explaining behaviors. It provides a straightforward framework for understanding how individuals make decisions based on perceived costs and benefits. This predictive nature allows researchers and practitioners to anticipate behaviors in various contexts. Versatility. Rational choice theory can be successfully applied to a multitude of disciplines beyond economics, including sociology and political science, making it a versatile tool for academic inquiry and real-world problem-solving. Promotion of sound decision-making. By emphasizing rationality in decision-making, rational choice theory encourages individuals and organizations to weigh their options carefully, potentially leading to better outcomes on both personal and societal levels. Criticisms of rational choice theory. Despite its widespread applicability, rational choice theory faces substantial criticism. Limitations of human rationality. Critics argue that the assumption of absolute rationality is unrealistic. Behavioral economics, a growing field, highlights the emotional, psychological, and social factors that can lead individuals to make irrational decisions. Human behavior is often influenced by biases, heuristics, and social pressures that can deviate from rational expectations. Bounded rationality. Economist Herbert Simon introduced the concept of bounded rationality, arguing that individuals make decisions based on limited information and cognitive limitations. He contended that people often settle for satisfactory solutions rather than optimal ones due to these constraints. Value perception. Another aspect highlighted by critics, notably economist Richard Thaler, is that individuals assign different values to money based on context, a phenomenon known as mental accounting. This illustrates that individuals may act in ways that appear irrational, even though they are rational within their subjective frameworks. Real-world examples. 1. Investment decisions. In stock trading, rational investors typically buy undervalued stocks while selling overvalued ones based on calculations of expected returns. 2. Consumer choices. A rational consumer deciding between two vehicles may choose the less expensive option not only based on price but also factoring in maintenance costs, fuel efficiency, and resale value. 3. Political campaigns. The Brexit referendum serves as an example where emotional appeals influenced voter behavior, contrary to the rational calculations anticipated by pundits. 4th, work-life balance. An executive may choose to take parental leave, valuing time spent with family over salary, demonstrating that not all rational choices revolve around financial benefit. Conclusion. Rational choice theory remains a cornerstone of economic and social analysis, providing insights into decision-making processes. While its assumptions have been challenged by the complexities of human behavior and psychology, the theory continues to be instrumental in understanding individual and collective choices. As scholars expand the dialogue around rationality, integrating behavioral insights enhances our comprehension of how and why people make the choices they do, an ongoing effort to reconcile ideal economic models with the nuanced reality of human behavior. Key takeaways. Rational choice theory emphasizes that individuals make decisions aimed at maximizing their personal benefits based on rational calculations. Self-interest, as illustrated by the invisible hand, can lead to positive societal outcomes when individuals pursue their objectives. The theory has significant implications across various disciplines, aiding in the understanding of market behavior, political dynamics, and social interactions. While valuable, the assumptions of rationality within the theory must be nuanced with insights from behavioral economics to fully capture the complexity of human decision-making.